Hello,
Hello, Spencer. Where are you from?
Philippines,
Philippines. We're in the Philippines.
Manila.
Manila.
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I'm
Hold on.
beautiful. Alamin na, guys.
Yeah.
Ala! Janina! Janina, nagkamali ako na nakakalaro ko, guys. Lilipat na rin si Ma'am Janina. Marapak! Marapak ka, marapak! Guys, triple, guys. Nag-eyeglass siya, guys. Marupok siya, guys. Wait na, magpatugtog tayo ng ano, guys, ng pag-love songs. Guys, let's go times 3, guys. Guys, mukhang malakas to, guys. Kalma na. Ala! Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, let's go. Huwag maging marapak. Huwag tayong susubo, pero hindi susuko.
I love you only in my mind, but I know that there will come a time you feel this feeling I have inside.
Guys, 10 roses, let's go.
You're a hopeless romantic, is what they say. Falling in and out.
Guys, 10 roses, everybody, guys, so unlock the triple.
In each line, I still don't know what to say.
Guys, 10 roses, 10 roses.
What to say? Don't know what to do whenever you want.
Guys, 7 roses more, let's go.
Floating into we fly. Every minute, every second of the day, dream of you in the most special way. You're beside me all the time, all the time. I loved you and I always will. Call it crazy, but I know someday you'll feel this feeling I have for you inside. I'm a hopeless romantic, I know I am. Memorize all the lines, and here I am, struggling for words, I still don't know what to say.
Let's go.
Don't know what to do whenever you want it. Don't know what to say. My heart's
Guys, use the gloves, guys, use the gloves, everybody.
flying like a fly. Every minute, every second of the day, I dream of you and
She have 6 wins, guys. I have 12 wins. Let's go.
you beside me all the time.
Guys, use the gloves, guys. Bawal maging marupok today. Ma'am Arya, drop gloves in last 30 seconds. Guys, pag may gloves, guys, don't use rose. Only donut, guys. Let's go. Be careful, guys. Baka ma-snipe tayo. Sino ang pipiliin ko? Ako ba or ako? Ito maganda to. Sino ang isusubo ko? Yan. Ito. Ala, may gloves pa sila, guys. Drop the gloves, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, drop the gloves, guys. Drop the gloves. Oh my God. Let's go. Drop the gloves, Ma'am Saria. Gloves, Ma'am Saria. Wala bang gloves? Let's go, guys. Let's go!
Alam mo, narito ko lagi para
my God, guys!
Kita ng lagi.
Everybody! Let's go! Guys, 20k sila, 20k! Sanina!
Pag-ibig nalilito. Sino ang iibigin ko? Ikaw ba na pangarap ko? O siya bang kumakatok sa puso ko? Anong pag-iilalin ko? Isip pa o ang puso ko? Nalilito. Sinong pipiliin ko? Mahal ko. Kahit di ako ang mahal mo, kung manatili ako sa'yo, ay baka matutunan mo rin na ako iyong ibigin.
Guys, kinuha niya yung 12 nuggets natin, guys. Huwag tayong papayag na hindi natin kukunin yung 7 wins niya, guys. Let's go. Wala na yan, guys.
At kung sadyang
Ngayon, ikakasal kami ngayon. Ikakasal. Beautiful in white tayo ngayon, guys. Kailangan ma-distract siya, guys. Kailangan magandaan siya sa atin. Guys. Hindi pwedeng ano.
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In
Guys, double!
that I found the one, and my life had found.
Guys, kunin din natin yung 7 wins na, guys. Mag-iiganti tayo! Ma'am Saria, bakit naman? Ba't marupok tayo ngayon? Hindi pwedeng maging marupok, guys. Hindi tayo pwedeng maging marupok. Hindi! No!
I'm jealous, guys. You're rocking with the hottest DJ.
Check it out.
DJ just done.
Let's go, everybody! Ewan ko ba? Guys, 20 roses, guys! Kasi nga malakas siya. Ganun talaga pag may mga pogi, hindi nagsasalita. Tayo ganito yung itsura natin. Kailangan natin mag-effort magsalita. Oo. Guys, is one donut, guys. One donut. Let's go.
You're rocking with the hottest DJ.
Pag maganda ka, pag ganito yung itsura mo, guys, kailangan mo magsalita. Pag ganyang itsura, hindi na kailangan mag-effort, guys. Tignan nyo. Di ba kailangan natin maghanap buhay pag ganito mga mukha? Oo. Guys, let's go times 3. Let's go triple. Ma'am Janina. Guys, mag-check ka na score sa kabila, guys. Wait lang, tignan natin yung sa kabila, guys. Kala mo wait lang, tignan natin, guys, yung live sa kabila. Guys, triple, guys. Tignan natin yung live sa kabila, guys. Para alam natin yung score, guys. Guys, wait lang, guys. Check natin, guys. Nagtatakip siya ng score, eh. Tignan natin, guys. Triple. Ayan na, wala na sila. Buti nga sa inyo. Tingnan mo. Guys, triple. Ayan na. Bakit? Tignan natin. Guys, triple. Check natin, guys. Check natin yung kabila. Tinatakpan nila, eh. Tinatakpan nila yung kabila, eh. I-check natin. Kala nyo, ha? I watch you here. Don't hide your score because I saw your score now. You see this?
Yeah.
Yeah. And now, say bye-bye to your nuggets. 7 nuggets, say bye-bye. Diba? Bakit tayo magsalita? Ma'am Janina, pag mga ganyan mukha, di na nagsasalita. Pero sa atin, Ma'am Janina, ganito itsura natin, kailangan natin magpatawa, mag-effort. Ang sanina na. Oh. Okay. Spencer, say bye-bye to your 7 nuggets. Okay. Ayan, kala mo tatakpan-takpan mi score mo, pues nakikita namin ngayon. Oh, you have money gun? No, I have money gun. Mas Janina. Oh my God, Mas Janina. Palota to sa scatter si Mas Janina. Mukhang pamaldo sa scatter itong babae na to. Guys! Tinakpan niya guys. 3,000 guys. 3,000 score niya guys. Guys, 3,000 pa lang. 3,000 guys. Guys, ba mag-snipe? Guys. Umahabol guys! Guys, 16 na guys, 16! Everybody! Let's go! Sa akin pala yung 16. Sa akin pala yung 16 nakikita ko. Hindi pa, ba't naman ganun? Oh, guys, na-late yung snipe, guys. Oh my God, guys. May nag-snipe ng 15K. Na-late lang yung snipe nila. But, you lose now.
Alright. No worries. Okay,
Last game? Okay, last game. Guys, last game, guys. Everybody, guys. Bakit naman ganun? Yung nakikita ko. Guys, panalo sila kung pumasok yung snipe nila. Nag-snipe sila ng agila. Kung gumagano'n ganon, 15K yun, guys. Nag-snipe sila, guys. Guys, this is for my last round, guys. I need to rest na rin, guys. Let's go.
Miss Cathy, before you go, and I wanted to say thank you to everybody who's been watching my live and supporting me. So I dedicated this song to Miss Cathy. Before you go, please.
And I wish that you would call me right now, so that I could get you to you somehow. But get it safe to say that all I hear is raindrops falling on the rooftops. Oh baby, tell me why you have to go, 'cause this pain I feel it won't go away. And today I'm officially missing you. I thought that from this heartache I could escape, but I've fallen long enough to know there'll be no way. And today I'm officially missing you. Ooh, can't nobody do me like you. Said I believe they do. Hey baby, stay so mine. That I'm officially missing you.
Thank you.
But to his labor, to his heart of tears. From looking at your face and the wall, just a week ago you were my baby. Now I don't even know you at all. I don't know you at all. When I wish that you would go be right there, so that I could get to you somehow. But I can't escape the same, stay the same that I am. Can't nobody do it like you. Said everything too. Hey baby, stays on my mind that I'm officially missing you. Every little thing too. Hey baby, stays on my mind that I'm officially missing you.
Thank you.
Okay?
Congrats.
Okay, Spencer, before you go, say to me that I am beautiful.
You're very beautiful.
Yes. Maganda rin tayo. Mams Janina. Mams Janina, pag ka marupag, Mams Janina, kilala ko pamilya mo.
You and we're like fireworks and symphonies exploding in the sky. With you, I'm alive. Like all the missing pieces.
I'll see you next time.
Finally collide. So stop time right here in the moonlight. 'Cause I don't